Hello my dear friends, one of you has asked me to create a video regarding the data engineering roadmap for a fresher candidate. Basically in the Azure data engineering role for a fresher candidate. His question was, can a fresher candidate get job as Azure data engineer role in company? The answer is yes, absolutely yes. But in that case, the candidate must have some specific knowledge in some specific domains. I have done the homework at my level, at my best knowledge, and at my best expertise. I have noted down that points. I will tell one by one. You please note it down for your reference. Number 1 point is Azure Basics. Under Azure Basics, you should know Azure Data Factory, Azure Data Lake Storage, and Azure Synapse. In Azure Synapse, you don't have to the expertise level knowledge, but you should have the basic understanding. Number 2nd point is data engineering skills. Regarding the data engineering skill, you should the concrete and solid grip in SQL query writing. You have to have the sufficient knowledge and clear concept by writing the aggregate query, by you have the expertise and confidence playing with the several types of joins. That is very much important. Next is data modeling basics. You should have the concept of ELT, you should have the knowledge of ETL, and you should have the knowledge of the medallion architecture, that is the bronze layer, silver layer, and the gold layer. And number 3rd point is the concept regarding the data lakehouse concept, not so expertise level, but you should know the term and why it is used, and you should have the knowledge and clear concept that how from the data warehouse the evolution of data engineering has come into the data lake house stage. Okay. 3rd point is programming. In programming, you must have good knowledge in Python. Basically in pandas, you must have a good knowledge. And the basic scripting for the data processing, for the processing of the data means you have to have the concept of writing the ETL or ELT pipelines by using the Python coding. Just like you read the data from any CSV file or any Parquet file or any Excel file and transform that raw data and cleaning that data, and after that the data has been transformed in a perfect and good output, then output in a separate folder. Like this type of use cases you have to practice by yourself, and you should have some working, not knowledge, but you should have the done at your level some mini project regarding that. Okay. Next point is number 4 is big data basics. Big data basics means you should have knowledge in the Spark and the data frame concept. You should have. Next, number 5 is, that is the bonus point. That will be not mandatory, but that will give you an added advantage in case of clearing the interview round. This is the GitHub concept, Azure DevOps concept, basic CI/CD pipeline understanding. That is when you manually build any code, rather than manually building the code, how you commit and push the code, and automatically through the CI/CD pipeline, how the build has been automatically deployed to any web server or any Azure portal. You should have the basic concept or funda have to clear. And also you have knowledge in the data pipeline concept. Data pipeline concept like that in the using Azure Data Factory or any other. So I think that's all, and that will be a perfect roadmap. And also You have to regularly follow some YouTube videos regarding that, and you must have do some mini project. Mini project means you have to create a structure, that is, this will be my source and I will create this transformation of the data, and my data will be go through into this destination. Regarding this, you have to create a mini project. How much and how far you are playing with the Python coding with the data engineering concept, your concept will be go very much concrete. So that's all. If any other help you needed, you tell me. If that will be under my expertise, under my knowledge, I will definitely try to help you. Thank you, brother.